This is JVN Rahul Sharma, and I am from APD department. I am the assistant professor there, and today I am discussing about the preventive medicine and healthcare. That is the subject of the BMLT second year, and I am teaching the subject to both students basically. And this is the first topic I am starting today. So I am starting from the pollution. So this is the very significant thing, and this is very this is the condition has been very worst because of the pollution especially, and there are so many types of pollution are there, and we are confronting these days like air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. So we will discuss one by one, and we should also should seek the so many types of roles to prevent the pollution basically, because there are so many types of various pollutants basically they are affecting us. Okay, they are affecting the our daily life, and basically they are acting like a blocking system, because we are unable to take the pure air, pure water, and we are also suffering from the noise pollution because of the traffics, and there are so many things and other kind of the things we are facing. So we will today discuss about one by one. Okay, so the dictionary, like the pollution is to make air, water, soil dangerously dirty and not suitable for the people to use. Okay, so basically there are so many types of pollutants, because they are making the air, water, soil like dirty, and that's why we are not able to take the proper pure water, pure soil and pure air. So the main form of pollution are air, water, soil, noise, so them and the radioactive waves also. This is the another type of the pollution. So now first I will discuss about the air pollution. Okay, so try to understand the topic, and I hope it will be clear all doubts. So the main source of the air pollution in India and elsewhere are minerals, dust and gases, automobiles, thermal power plants and industries. All are the all the factors are decided are act as a pollutant for the air pollution. Okay, so basically especially the industries. So any contamination in the air may not only cause the many disease and loss of the vision, but can also disturb the whole atmospheric system. The all pollutants are not only like making the dirty only, not only the air, they are polluting the all things like water, air and noise. Okay, so any contamination in the air may not only cause any disease and loss of the vision, but can also disturb the whole atmospheric system. So air pollution can also cause a acid rain. This is the main learner topic was in 12th standard, what is the acid rain, and we also got in exam paper. So the air pollution causes also acid rain, which damage soil, vegetation and aquatic life of the region. So like we are having the so many type of things around us, like vegetation and so many types of trees. So because of the acid rain, they could be harmed. Okay, so and it's happening because of the air pollution. Okay, so the heavy use of the automobiles cause pollution and from automobile emissions. So this has become a serious problem in almost all countries, developed and developing. So these days you are seeing basically what is the condition in India, especially in the so many states. Okay, so except the developing country are very affected by these pollutions, and we should take some precautions and so many steps to prevent to make dirty the air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution basically. So the bad urban air burns the eyes, damage the lungs tissue and increase the level of the lead and the other poisonous in our human body, and the agriculture product also. So it is known like how many deaths occur nationally because of the air pollution. So air pollution causes massive smog in the London in 1952, killing some like 4,000 people. So in the year of 1952, there are so many deaths happened in like in London because of the air pollution. So and this is the condition the same in India also. So everyone is confronting the pollution situations. So we should come out from this, and we should be educated for them, and we should make the people aware for the against the air pollution. Okay. Like second is the water pollution. So contamination of water from any external sources that makes it harmful to life is known as the water pollution. Got it? The contamination of water from any external sources that make it harmful life is known as the water pollution. So with the fast industrial development and the modernization and civilization, the problem of the water pollution is increasing day by day. This is the fact that there is no control on the population, and we are creating, we are making the so many types of the industry area. And we are doing the job there, and we are making the so many type of the homes, and flats are there. So where they dispose, they are not the proper amount of the field we are having, that we should dispose the things we are using there. What are the end product of the things we are using. So basically this is the main problem. They are not the dump side in India, especially because they are not the solution to how to dispose the things. We are using the things, but we don't know how to dispose the things. So this is the main problem. So before using anything, we should think about the negative points of that aspect. Okay. So the major source of the water pollution are domestic effluents, agriculture effluents, sewage waters, disposal, industrial waste, radioactive waste, and oil leakage. So everyone confronts these situations. Like agriculture, everyone knows. Okay, what are the domestic things? What are the sewage water? What are we disposing sewage water? What are we eating from the sewage water? Industrial waste, mainly industrial waste, because they are thousands in number. They are the industrial area, because they are the basically black color job are there. Basically they are the black companies for making the like things like they emit the carbon atoms, they emit the carbon dioxide in more amount, they emit the methane. So such type of gases, such type of waste which is disposed, which like when they flow in the sewage water, and when we inhale them, so if we are inhaling them, so obviously they will make us diseased, and this is the main problem these days. So and the oil leakage also. So there is oil leakage, like you heard so many times, there is the oil leakage in the sea from the ship. So this is all the main cause of the water pollution. Like tons of the oils leak in the sea during the leakage conditions. So all the Indian rivers, including the holy rivers, Ganga, have become highly polluted today. We are disposing all things in Ganga. We are doing the cremation process in Ganga, and we are basically throwing out all disposal things. Okay, we are not thinking that someone will be come in the contact with these things and they can harm to them. So even the Ganga action plan to control the water from pollution has not been proved successful, and this impact of water pollution is widespread. It causes many severe waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, okay, trachoma, intestinal norms, hepatitis, and jaundice. So according to the WHO, the 21% of the all communicable disease in India are waterborne disease, and oil is the major pollutant of the seawater. So huge tankers routinely dump oil into the sea, and this act of the dumping poisons smoothes of both sea plants and animals and kill them especially. So now the noise pollution. So all the sounds are not noise. So noise is only the sound that is unwanted and goes beyond its certain limit. Because like everyone emit the noise, but noise pollution is called when you are unable to tolerate that noise. So that is act as a noise pollution. So like above 80 decibel harsh sound of lightning and thunder, noise produced by the machines, automobiles, railway, aeroplanes, and the bellowing sound of the loudspeakers, some musical instruments come under the category of the noise pollution. Okay. So more and more noise is creation of the modern civilization, and now become a major environmental pollutant. so especially in urban areas. So the most notable effect of the noise pollution on heating, it may cause total loss of heating that may result in the reduction of the worker efficiency. So at the higher level, it may lead to the physical and psychological damage. So there is evidence that noise is one of the major cause of the stress and anxiety these days, and people get irritated also, and it is called the headache, irritability, irritation. It may also affect the blood pressure and heartbeat also. And there are so many things we are complaining like DJ and band in the marriage functions, so they are also emit the more noise, and they are also a positive agent of the noise pollution. So water and noise pollution are very common, which are creating havoc for all type of life, and they have the like there are some control of the pollution, especially the air pollution. So like for according to the criteria like agriculture waste, minimizing the carrying, manufacturing, and the manufacture of the chemicals, okay, and the non-metallic mineral product manufacture, basic metal industries, power generation, coal and retail trade, transport, community services. So like they emit the sources are the open burning, coal mining, crude petroleum and natural gas production, non-ferrous ferrous or mining, stone quarrying, food, beverage, tobacco, textiles, leather industries, wood product, paper product, printing, charcoal, hydrofluoric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, lead, oxide, ammonia, calcium carbon dioxide. So they are the, and the emitted pollutant are the SMM, CO, VOC, SO, nitrogen oxide, methane, ethane, carbon dioxide. There are so many types of the poisonous gases out there. Okay. So next is the, so basically the pollution are very playing the major role in our life, in our the life for the for like making us diseased, because if we are not we will not control on pollution, so we will, the condition will be worse and then the worse. And they are the basically things are the exaggerating because of the human being. We are educated and that's why we are not controlling the pollution. Otherwise we know about the all things, what is making us, what are the pollutant, and what should we avoid, and what should we eat, where should we dispose, and what should we do the action in against the disposal things we are disposing. We should make aware the people, we should make aware the children, we should teach the we should inculcate the things in our children also, that we should be dispose the things at the good place, at the suitable place, by which we cannot be harm again. Like the polythene is the main pollutant for the soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and the lifespan of the polythene is more than the human being, more than the 1,000 years as we heard. So you can have a look what are the pollutant we are using, the like paper, thermocol, we are using the so many types of rubber things. So and after the use we dispose them normally in river, tanks, and in the open ground also. So we should restrain the things, we should we control on them, and we should we know how to dispose them. And this is a very significant topic, and not for the exam purposes, for the general knowledge also. According to me, this is the more crucial for the student, more crucial for the all people from this world, that we should know about the pollution, we should know about the pollutant, we should know how to control them, and how to make the we should play the major role to restrain the things, because the condition are the very worst, and in the coming time the condition will be very exaggerated, and the things will be very uncontrollable because these days unable to control, and you know also you are living in India, that there are so many type of states, so many type of districts has been declared polluted completely. There the oxygen level is very low. Okay, so this is the main problem, or I hope you are getting my point, but this concept is clear to you. So next topic will be on the air pollution completely. Okay, sorry, on the water pollution. Okay, and I will discuss one by one. I am including the all pollution in one topic, but I will discuss all the properly on a single topic and separate topic in next class. So next class will be on the water pollution. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this concept